I'm out here fishing with Noah today. We're gonna spend the evening here trying to chase some crappies. See if we can get into some.
Ooh. Bluegill?
Yep. Bluegill. Noah's got one.
Look at that rod though. Ooh. Oh, not bad. First fish for a while. Not a bad one.
Bluegill.
Catch you guys with some more.
Got one. Pretty small. See ya.
Like that.
There you go.
He started horsing right away. He's digging.
I got one too.
Oh, Crappie! Crappie, get Crappie!
Oh, no, good.
Quick keeper.
Yep.
I was like, he's digging hard.
Oh, nice bluegill. Wait, let me see that one.
So that's what was. Ah! He's getting me with his dorsal.
Yeah, but you can put them in the bucket. That looks like a good one. First crop in the net, boys. Please don't be bluegill. Oh, my drag is too loose. Okay. Oh, it's crappie. Nice.
Well, it's a bigger one.
It's about the same size. Last one.
It's a little skinnier. That's not as tall, I should say.
Yeah.
Is it near the 10-inch mark?
Nine-inch crappie. Keeper.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Bobber, bobber.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
You wanna reel up this rod?
You'll be good.
Should I take him?
How far down?
Down at the bottom of the ice.
Alright.
Got him.
Yeah, you should probably sit down for the looks of this. Oh.
Well then!
Not as big as expected, but okay.
Alright. This is more of like Kelzer's.
Yeah, we'll probably let that guy go.
Yeah, that's like what, a 6 or 7 incher?
That's a 7. That's a 7-incher. Yeah, I'll throw him back.
6 or 7 inch.
Pretty much a double header, so that's good. It's a good sign. They're coming in. That's fast. I literally just dropped that one down. Okay, we're on, boys. It's taking it really fast, so. Oh, wow, he's way under the ice. Holy cow.
Go, 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 get him. Got him.
Alright, we got him, boys.
A little smaller. Oh, that's just your rod, anyways.
Yeah, I have a medium light, so. Yeah, it's a.
Okay.
That's a 9-incher. Not a giant, but we'll keep. Hooked right in the top. We're gonna need pliers for this one. Oh, never mind. I got it. So. Nice crappie. We're gonna throw this guy in the bucket. The lighting is gonna be pretty bad, so. We got 3 now in the bucket.
He's doing donuts!
There we go.
Oh, you're fishing. Oh.
That's might be a crappie. Oh,
Bluegill.
bluegill. It didn't really fight like a bluegill at first.
Might just keep my
Bluegill. No, I just caught a crappie. That's a nice one. Probably keep him.
You want to?
Yeah.
There you go. Bobber line went down. Tangled a little bit.
Oh, geez, I got a lot of fish down there right now. Throw that guy in the bucket.
Oh no, it's fine. you'd rather fish than become a beautiful thing?
Crappie.
Smaller.
That might keep. I got 2 fish right
You?
above the. Why aren't you jigging?
I was roasting them out.
Reel up like 2 feet off the bottom and you'll catch them. They're closer to the bottom right now. See, look at my screen.
Oh yeah.
They're down farther now. And the one I just caught was right around there. I might let this guy go because we're gonna catch a lot more tonight. No, it's most likely got a crappie. There we go.
Little small, I mean. What'd you say that? Oh yeah. Oh, that's great. Light turned off. And I might have a fish on a bobber rod as well.
I'll get you if your bobber goes.
That thing's like dying as well.
Yeah, you got more fish down there.
Okay, do you wanna release this guy?
Yeah, we'll release them. We'll keep some. We'll keep more. We'll get some more. See ya. Here we go. That's gone.
Do you want me to reel up here?
No. Well, you want? Got him.
Bigger.
It's okay. About average.
Yeah. Oh crap! Forgot to blow my jig.
All right, I'm gonna keep this guy. So we got like 5 in the bucket now.
Yep.
Okay. Nice little crappie, 9-incher. They're all like the same size. They're all cookie cutters.
Sounds exactly like your auger.
Got a fish on me suspended. There we go. That's a crappie.
You recording? Yeah, you are.
Oh, I am. Nice. Crappie.
Crappie.
I think I'll keep this guy too.
You want me to put him in there for you?
Yeah. Oh, we got a fish way up high. This guy came in suspended. Nice guy. And I got, oh, there's a few fish down there. They're a little more suspended now.
See it.
There we go.
Got him?
Yep.
Big one?
Not bad.
Small.
About average.
A little bit smaller than the rest. Bobber rods haven't got really any action.
Yeah, it's all been on a jig and a glow jig and a little spike.
Oh, I forgot to blow mine.
Nice little crappie. I'm gonna let this guy go.
I've had...
This fish is way up high though. Oop, got him. Caught this fish 6 feet below the ice. Oh, jeez. Get out of there. Oh my.
You're abusing the fish.
Made kind of a mess, but... Oh, I got another one way up there. Drop down my hole. I'm gonna see if Noah can get one. Don't drop down super fast. Kind of slowly drop down to it. So, a little crappie here. I'm gonna drop it down that hole over there. There you go. Crappie.
Little guy.
Okay, I'm gonna drop down. I'm gonna catch the other one.
Oh my god, my knee. Oh! Oh my god.
You might
What
want to
happened? I cooked it. Ah! Oh no! My smell pan.
Oh, yeah.